Maggie in front.
And Kate's behind the camera.
And this time we're doing a walkthrough of Lynne's amazing Little Things Gatefold album. So I'll just show you, you can see the front, and then I'm going to show you the spines. So one spine, can you see that, Kay? Says little.
Yeah, bring it tad forward. That's it, yeah.
And the other one should say?
Things.
Things.
It does.
Okay, so we'll pop this down here. Okay, and we're going to lift that. Okay.
Okay, do you want to move it that way?
That way?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, right. Oh, and I can see she's used our dimensional pocket again.
She
there.
has, she does those.
That is
the belly band.
Mexican belly band.
Well, it works well with that, doesn't it?
Works really well. Oh, that's a great idea. And then these are graphic 45 tags that Lynne's covered with paper. And then here we come to page 1. Are we in the middle?
Yep.
Okay, and she's used our interactive tab stamps, and it's saying lift up and pull left. I'm going to lift it up, and first of all I've got some photo mats there, and I've got a pocket here. And I'm going to pull this left. That opens that there. I've got a tuck spot here, which has been done with a Mexican whisker. Then open here, I've got a photo mat here. It's never ending, this page. And then there's more photo mats here and another tuck spot here with the Mexican whiskers. That's really effective because you can't really tell that's there, can you?
No, not until, no.
That's very nice. So I've got to remember how to close it now. That's it. And then in the middle of the page, obviously inside the pocket pages, you have your page inserts. So the next page is this one. This is one of Lynne's trademarks, isn't it? So sliding down, so you can see that picture there. Slide it up. That's using our page slider dies. That's the next one there.
It's nice for the poster though. You can put the information on.
Yes, definitely. And then pull here. Oh, and you've got another photo mat there, and on that side as well. I'll pop that one in there, back in there. And then here, she's used the perfect placement tool to get the holes in the right place. And this is Lynne's Hussy Gusset page. So, open this out. These open out and you've got your little photo mats there and there. And I think, yep, that's like a belly band there for holding things in place. And then she's used our curved photo slots here. Again, because she's put the waste back in, it's hard to see that anything's been cut out. And that's popped in there, like that. I like how she sort of does a double flap.
Yes.
Okay, and then in here, she's done pockets. And then you open that up. Oh, that's clever. Did you see that?
Yes, I did. Yeah. We did. Yeah, that was
look,
cool.
This is a what? Oh, I like that. That's very cool. And the same again. We've got pockets here. Open up. Whoop. So this is like a proper slidey page. And we'll carry on. Oh, and then we've got another Hussy Gusset page, which opens out. And again, you have belly band there. Another trademark Lynne page. Pull, Maggie. That's what it says. Pull. Do what you were told. And then pull that one out there. I like how she uses the different cardstock as well. Okay, and then this is another one of these. That's it. Folded up like that. Lift up and pull right. And then it opens up. There's a tuck spot in here with a walrus whisker. You've got a belly band here, and then here you've got 2 more dimensional pockets, and you can pop things inside. Oh,
is there anything in there?
I think there are things in here.
So.
See if Mrs. Fatfingers can get them out. Oh, there we are. She's popped little cards. That's really cool. Yeah, that's really nice. She's used the 3x4 ones, hasn't she? So that's your 3x4 pocket, and she's popped little tops on it. So that is a beautiful Little Things Gatefold album.
For a busy pattern and what have you, she's made it look really stylish.
Yeah, I think she has. It's lovely, and I love how she's used a different colour cardstock to complement it as well. So thank you, Lynne.
Thank you,
amazing.
Lynne. Again, well done.
Bye.